How to change music cover on Instagram story. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Spotify app on your phone. Select any of the music of your preference and then tap on three dots on the bottom. Scroll down and tap on Share. Among these various apps, tap on Instagram Story. Tap on Open. Now the music cover will be open on your Instagram Story. Now you want to tap on the smiley icon on the top. Then you want to scroll down and tap on this type of icon. Now select any of the photos from your gallery. Tap on the image to change the shape of it. Adjust the image on the cover. And after you're done, tap on your story. So that is how to change music cover on Instagram story. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.